Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to focus my glance on the last chapter of your first flight book, The Proposal. It is written by a very famous Russian poet, writer, playwright and short story writer Anton Chekhov. Anton Chekhov, born in 1860 and he took his last breath in 1904. He is a prolific Russian dramatist. He has written 17 plays and 600 different short stories. He is very famous in America. He has focuses his glance on the Russian culture about marriage. The theme of the play is that The Proposal is a very famous one-act play, and here it is described about the tendency of rich family, rich people who always settle with the rich society, rich family, especially in the marriage proposal. Besides, they wanted to do because of security, future security. The wealthy people always think like that. This is what the theme of the story, theme of the play is. This is really a very nice one-act play describing three different characters. First, Lomo. Lomo is a 35 years of a young man. He is a landowner. He wanted to settle down in his life after marrying with a good lady. He was rich, dignified, and he is the landowner also. But he had a disease known as palpitation and disorder of sleepless night. So, second character is Natalia. Natalia is a loving bird of 25 years old. She is the daughter of Chubukov. She is stubborn. She does not know how to compromise in life. She always quarrelsome with her right. So she is having the tendency of quarrelsome. She wanted to marry with Lomov for economical establishment rather than love affection. Third character is Chubukov. Chubukov is the father of Natalia and neighbor of Lomo. He was always in support of his daughter in all aspects of life. He got ready to get her daughter married with Lomov because of tendency to settle in the rich family, to keep a good relationship with the rich family. He had double face. In one hand, he showed her love, affection to Lomov, but on the other hand, he quarreled with him for the little piece of land. Ultimately, the play is really very interesting, focusing on three aspects. First, proposal given by Lomov to Chubukov for her daughter. Number two, a quarrelsome argument over auction meadows, and the suffering of palpitation of Lomov. Third, an argument over hunting dog, gaze and squeezer. This is what the theme is. In the next video, dear student, I will come up with you with the whole play. Till then, thank you very much. Stay at home, put on mask whenever you go out of the house. Thank you.